Hello everyone and welcome back to MIG Drone Academy. Today we are gonna make Happy New Year, crewmates. So let's get started. The first step is to make the letters. Let's start with the H. Keep the symmetry of the lines. Now, in this case, we're gonna change the letters A and Y for some crewmates. So finish the legs, the obelisk shape, don't forget the backpack, and add the Christmas hat. Let's go with the P. Another one. And the Y is basically an inverted crewmate. Do the legs at the top and the head at the bottom. The backpack. Let's go with the word new. Second letter, the E. And for the W, basically is two crewmates. Finish the legs. And don't forget the obelisk shape. The last word, year, or inverted crewmate. The E. Our last crewmate. The obelisk shape. The Christmas hat. And last but not least, the R. Okay, now we can go with our first crewmate. So let's start with the obelisk shape. Went to the side, complete it. Then from there, go to the bottom, to our first leg. Then the second leg, all the way up till the head. And then the hat. Always do a semicircular shape to keep it fluffy. The top going up and down. The poof ball. Now, in this case, we're gonna trim the body and the legs just to create a suit. Trim the legs with a double line. Don't forget the backpack. Now let's do one hand, grabbing and spray. Do the thumb, the bottom of the spray. Two fingers, the top of the spray, the finger pushing the spray, and do 3 lines pointing towards the words. Now on the left side, let's do a mini crewmate. Do the oval shape, go down, and then the 2 legs. Go up, do the Christmas hat, fill any gap, the backpack, finish the hat with the poof ball, and also let's do another spray. So let's start with the hand, the bottom of the spray, go up, 2 fingers, the top of the spray, the finger, 3 lines pointing to the letters. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!